In this video, we'll learn how the sweep and revolve tools work. First, let's sketch a spline. Then click Stop Sketch, because now we'll sketch a profile to sweep along it. The profile needs to be perpendicular to the sketch. And now let's click on Create, Sweep, click on the profile, the Path button, and the path. And you see, I can move the sweep back and forth. If the sweep doesn't work, it may be because this line was too sharply curved. Now let's sketch another profile. I'm going to sketch it on the vertical plane. Click Create, Revolve, click on the profile, click on the Axes button, and then click whichever vertical line you want the axes to be. I'll click on this one, and you see I get one continuous sweep. Now I'm going to undo this and draw another line to show you what happens if you don't use a line on the profile as your axes. You see that? I've got a hole in the middle, which I may want. Looks a bit like a 3D printer nozzle. Anyhow, that's how you use sweep and revolve.